Today, HAZOP, or Hazard and Operability Study, has become one of the most powerful and widely used techniques in industrial safety and risk management. It's a fantastic technique because it uncovers hidden problems in the process design, and it provides a wealth of information that's useful for training and management of change. But from your point of view as a process owner or contractor, the big problem with HAZOP is cost. It can tie up your engineers in a meeting room for weeks on end, and that leads to costly project overruns and missed deadlines. Let us introduce ourselves. We are Exericon, and this is our HAZOP software, Vizop. It's part of our drive to provide a better and more efficient way to do HAZOP. We call it the Exericon way, and we think you'll like it when you try it. Of course, you can just use a spreadsheet to document your HAZOP. You can even use legacy HAZOP software called PHA something. Or you can switch to Vizop. Here's why we think you should. Vizop covers all the basic features you need for efficient HAZOP. The worksheet is packed with convenient functions for copying and moving items like causes and consequences. Risk ranking is supported. You can set up the risk matrix in a spreadsheet, then import it directly to Vizop in one step. And it handles recommendations and parking lot items with ease. Vizop runs in your favorite web browser. You can open multiple browser tabs or windows and distribute them across multiple screens or projectors. All the windows are linked, so if you make an update in one window, the others will update automatically. This makes copying between HAZOP nodes a breeze. Just open two different nodes at the same time in different windows, then you can freely transfer data between them. You can even open two windows on the same node, allowing the team to discuss one point while the chairman or scribe checks another point. It's just one of many ways Vizop streamlines the workflow in the HAZOP workshop. Vizop is short for Visual HAZOP. We called it that because you can work visually on the P&ID instead of textually on the worksheet. Let me explain. In conventional PHA apps, the team analyzes the design on the P&ID, then types the findings into a worksheet. But in Vizop, we've streamlined the task by connecting directly between P&ID and worksheet. You can click on the P&ID to define a device such as a pump or pressure transmitter. Once this is done, the device's name and tag number can be transferred automatically to the worksheet in just 2 clicks, eliminating the need to retype the tag number many times. With one more click, Vizop populates the worksheet with predefined texts for causes, consequences and safeguards from a built-in database of over 1,000 typical scenarios. Clicking on the device's name or tag number in the worksheet brings up the P&ID, showing you the device's exact location, and clicking on the device on the P&ID allows you to see all the places in the worksheet where it's used. This is a massive time saver, not only during the HAZOP, but afterwards to help you search for mentions of a device in a previous HAZOP. Another pain point in conventional PHA apps is clunky navigation between places in the worksheet. Vizop's simple forward and back buttons solve this by allowing you to quickly go to places you've recently visited, no matter whether that's a location in the worksheet, the node list, or the action items list. At the end of the study, you'll need to generate outputs for your report. Vizop has quick and efficient tools to generate all the output tables you need, including the node list, recommendations list, parking lot, and the complete HAZOP worksheet. In just a few clicks, Vizop prepares Excel exports that you can transfer to your reports in seconds with no reformatting required. Getting data from your previous projects into Vizop is easy too. As long as your data is available in an Excel file, you can import the whole HAZOP worksheet in one go, including risk ranking and recommendations. What's more, you needn't worry about losing access to your data in future. Even if your license expires, you can still use Vizop to export from your projects anytime. Vizop also has fantastic support for alarm rationalization. Whether your project has 10 alarms or 10,000, you can import them from a spreadsheet in a few clicks. Then you can view the alarms in a master list with powerful filtering to help you focus on the alarms you want to study. The alarm detail page lets you edit all the alarm parameters you need for an alarm rationalization study, and it boasts powerful copying functions to speed up the workflow. There's full support for advanced alarming, such as suppression and first out groups. Just a few clicks allows you to create and edit all the alarm groups you need. When the study is finished, Vizop quickly and easily produces a full set of alarm reports, including the finalized alarm database, advanced alarming report, and a summary report with detailed statistical analysis. We know software licensing can be frustrating, so we made licensing Vizop as simple and painless as possible. All the licensing is handled online, so there's no license files or dongles to struggle with. Don't have internet access? We've got that covered too. You can request an emergency license code that works offline. Whether you need a short or long-term license for one user or many users, we've got you covered. Just contact our friendly user support team and we'll guide you through. HAZOP is ready to be brought up to date, and Vizop is leading the way towards a more efficient, streamlined and modernized way to do HAZOP. But don't just take our word for it, try it for yourself. Just reach out to us at Xericon and we'll arrange a demonstration and free trial license to help you start your own journey towards the HAZOP of the future, the Xericon way.